All right, now I'm going to show you how to install some more dependencies for the Capstone project that aren't so system specific. I'm going to just do this on Windows because I just got finished recording the Windows version. So if you're on a Mac or Linux or anything else, these commands are basically going to be the same. We're not going to do anything from the terminal at all. It's just going to be like downloading like Google Chrome and adding browser extensions and signing up for accounts like that. So everything should pretty much be the same across all platforms for this video. I just happen to be using Windows because I just got done with the Windows section. All right, now the next thing you want to do is download the Chrome web browser. We're going to need this in order to use the MetaMask extension for Chrome to interact with the blockchain. So you can download Chrome browser, but just, looking for it on Google, or I guess Bing is what's by default on Windows. And you can click download now right here. And we'll just say download Chrome. I accept. And we'll say yes, it can make the changes. Click yes. All right, and that sets up Chrome. All right, now that Chrome is set up, we're going to use it to install some extensions that will allow us to build blockchain projects. The first extension that we want to install is MetaMask. So I'm just going to search for it like this. You can go to the, let's see, Google Chrome Web Store. Let's actually just search for that. MetaMask Chrome Web Store. All right. And we can see that link here. This is the second one. So again, MetaMask is basically going to turn our browser into a blockchain browser. It's going to be a wallet. So remember, I talked about wallets in the introduction to wallet section. So go back and check out that video if you haven't already. But this is an Ethereum wallet that's going to allow us to, hold Ethereum cryptocurrency, send it to other people, and also interact with dApps and build them. So we can just add it to Chrome like this. Looks like this is not in English anymore. Sorry. So click add. All right, whenever it's added, you should see the little fox icon pop up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. And once you click it, you can see this welcome to MetaMask come up. Say get started. And I would say let's get set up. I'm going to create a wallet. Okay. And then I'm just going to send, data. Say I agree. And now you're going to create a password to unlock MetaMask. So I'm just going to do that like this. All right. And I have agreed to the terms of service, and I'll create one. All right, and you're going to want to click Reveal Secret Words. So don't show your seed phrase to anyone else, all right? I'm going to do it just because I don't care about this account. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open up a text editor, and I'm just going to copy this seed phrase, all right? I'm just going to click like this. I'm going to save the seed phrase here, so it's decline, trick, green, moral, spirit, direct, mouse, noble, one, actress, century, retire. So like I said, don't share this with anyone, but you want to save your seed phrase for later. And you need to write it down because MetaMask is going to ask you to confirm it here. So we'll say decline, trick, green, moral. Let's say decline, trick, green, moral. And then we want to do spirit, direct, mouse, noble, one. So we'll say spirit, didn't click. Direct, mouse, noble, one. And the last three are actress, century, retire. Actress, century, retire. And click confirm. All right, there you go. Congratulations. You have set up your MetaMask. Okay. And now you have an Ethereum wallet. You can actually go and see, the status of your wallet here. And we're going to use this to build our blockchain applications. All right, the next thing we want to install is Redux DevTools. So Redux, we're going to talk about in the Capstone section, but it's going to allow us to store data in our React app on the front end. So Redux DevTools allows us to inspect what's happening inside of Redux as a data store. So if you just Google Redux DevTools and click the Chrome Web Store link, that'll take you to the Redux DevTools extension. And you'll want to find that and just click Add to Chrome. And click Add Extension. All right, it should be added. You can just see this little icon here to confirm that it was installed. And this will actually highlight and pop up whenever we are on a website that has or is using Redux. So you'll see that when we start developing the project. All right, the next dependency we need is Infura. So Infura is going to allow us to connect to the Ethereum blockchain without having to run our own node. So if you just Google Infura and click the first thing that pops up, this is infura.io, okay? And this is going to allow you to sign up for Infura, All right, you're just going to click sign up, and you can enter your name. I'll just say Gregory. So Gregory at dappuniversity.com, and click a password. All right, and then sign up. And once you've confirmed it, you can see your dashboard here. You'll want to create a new project, okay? And I'm just going to call this, say, blockchain developer bootcamp. Click create. All right, so now you'll see view project. And this is going to have your endpoint, right? You're going to save this for later use because this is going to be the URL that we use to connect to Ethereum whenever we deploy our project to the public Ethereum network, which we'll do when we build the Capstone project. So just, you've got Infura set up, and we'll come back to this later. All right, and now we want to sign up for Heroku, which is our hosting provider that we're going to use to deploy our project at the end of the Capstone section. So you can click sign up for free, and I'm just going to walk through the setup steps. I'll say Gregory say Gregory at dappuniversity.com, Dapp University. I'll just say, you can choose whatever you want to here. I said your professional developer, United States. Prior language, let's just say JavaScript. How about Node.js? And I'm not a robot. Click create free account. All right, and once you confirm your email address, you'll want to create a password and set up your account. So I just did that off screen on my phone, so I'm going to log in now. And I'm just going to go to Heroku.com and click sign in right here, or log in. All right, enter my password and click log in. All right, now we've got a Heroku account. And we'll revisit this later in the Capstone section whenever we deploy our application to production. In order to build the project, you're going to need a text editor to write the code, and you can use whatever text editor you want to, but if you don't have one yet, you can download Sublime Text. Sublime Text 3, you can basically download it for free as a trial version. So just click download and click your system, and then run the installer and click yes. Just walk through the setup steps. All right, click next. And then finish. So I'm going to open Sublime Text after just having installed it. And I'm going to basically show you how to additionally set up some more configuration for your blockchain projects. I'm going to show you how to install packages. We'll go to Tools, Install Package Control. All right, click OK. All right, what we're going to install is the Ethereum package, which gives us syntax highlighting for the Solidity programming language that we're going to use to build the smart contracts in the Capstone project. So if you go to Preferences, Package Control, and say Install Package, all right, and then it's going to pull up your options to search and say Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. Click enter. And once you've done that, you should have all the stuff you need to start developing the smart contracts with the Sublime Text editor.